Good. We're going to be working on the road test. We got our client here. He's going to be going to Amazon Prime in California. So we're just sitting here waiting and being patient. This is a protected left turn, so we're looking for Sean to turn into the nearest lane by the double yellow. Yes, sir. Go straight. The road tester will ask you a question. If you have to hit something, what should you hit?
Oh, soft.
Something soft. You never want to hit anything hard as a tree or rock. Great job. Sean has good hand placement. 9 and 3, 10 and 2, 7 and 5. We know there's an airbag in the middle. We are here in the United States, so we tend to do hand over hand. I know that is a controversy because of the airbag, but he has his thumbs away from the airbag, so that's a good job. Speed control's pretty good. We live in a wooded area of the country, so deer could pop up. This is a hazard other places around the world don't have, but where we're from, those deer could come up. If we were in Australia, it'd be a freaking kangaroo. Right. Speed control is really nice. Great job. He covered the brake really nice. He's checking mirrors. Consider me like your driver's ed uncle. I'm going to give you these elements you need to be safe drivers. What does that warning sign mean? Yes, exactly. Fire trucks can come out, and while people are running out of the house, they run into the house. When you come to take your road test, driving test, you should know how to drive. You should know what to do. If you haven't practiced, you will be exposed. Please make a left turn at the light for us. And then Sean is getting in at the right time. And that's a protected turn. When it's clear, make your left. Good, he checked traffic. And we're looking for him to turn in the correct lane. Nice job, nice turn, good job. Definitely gonna get his license. He takes his test at 4:30 today, so this is real. We're not playing here. You will be a little bit nervous and tense with your road tester because this person can determine if you pass or fail. But if you drive your normal safe driving fundamentals, and remember everything your parents taught you, and what you're seeing here, you will do fine. Speed control is really nice. If you drive under speed, that can be cause for a failure also. He's just fine. And what does this warning sign mean? So you have to do your proper fundamentals. So we're looking for this young man to look left and right over the see him look. That is